If full digital submission is your goal, we can create fillable PDFs which will allow our contractors to fill in their forms directly in the application. This will allow them to save their form and include it with their bid. To create these forms, we suggest two options. Either A, the paid version of Adobe Editor, which will allow you to prepare a form, or B, if your office is Google friendly, we can always use Doc Hubs. This will allow us to identify the spaces we want to fill, and we can include checkboxes, we can include paragraphs, line items, and we can also include spaces to fill in dollar amounts. And we can simply download or export and include this file as a document to upload. We can include instructions for the bidder and link it to the document we wish for them to fill. And here we go. And if your document is in fact fillable, the system will recognize this as fillable. Thank you. Good luck with your tender.